Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Bisma Putra Atala. First of all, I want to say thank you to watching this presentation. The title of the material is Useful Business Process from Chapter 5. Okay, next. Okay, I will introduce the member of my group. The member of my group have a Kuku Aprianto, Muhammad Akbar Hamdallah, Salsabila Murtaja, Adam Syamputra Sugevi, and the last, Reni Gustira. Okay, I will deliver referring to a previous communication. In this material, I have several formula to write referring to a previous communication in the business appointment. So, first formula with reference to your, you can fill the fax memo, email, and the next you can fill that and regarding. So the second formula, we can fill the we refer to your and fax memo email that regarding. The third formula, we got the further to our telephone conversation or discussion. This is to inform you that. So you can fill the any word again. So the last formula, we got the with reference to your, you can fill the fax memo, email, and that we are glad to inform you that. Okay, the next. Below are 5 examples on how to use above business process in the business appointment. Next. Next. Okay, I will show up the implementation several words in the business appointment or message or something like that. In the example 1, with reference to your email date January 24, 20XX, please find attached or comment regarding last week's development seminar. And in the example 2, we refer to your comments regarding the fire extinguisher which were raised by the safety team after the last safety inspection. I am pleased to report that and fire extinguishers have been repositioned and are now easier to access in case of fire. And then example 3, I got the further to our telephone conversation today. I would like to confirm that your order will be delivered on May 13, 20XX. Please contact us again if you require any information. And in the example 4, with reference to our fax date March 15, 20XX, we are still waiting to hear from you concerning employee workshop for stores management. We will appreciate your reply by March 25, 20XX. Example, in the last example, with reference to your email date January 24, 20XX, regarding your proposal on the RACS assessment training program, we are glad to inform you that your proposal meet a requirement. Okay, next. Okay, in the next material will be delivery by M. Akbar. M. Akbar, time is yours.
Okay. Request. To use business press in business matter, it is better to use a polite phrases because in a formal situation, such as business, we should use a polite, formal, and structural kind of phrases. Next. Example, the using of request phrases. Example 1, the first formula is would it be possible to plus base verb. The example is would it be possible to change our meeting to Thursday? And would it be possible for us to reconsider the rejected proposal? Example 2, the formula is would you please consider plus ing? The example, would you please consider canceling the meeting due to illness? And would the owner consider offering a discount to some customers? Example 3, the formula is we kindly ask that you, he, she, it, they, plus base verb. The example, we kindly ask that you provide each customer with a receipt, and we kindly ask that he thoroughly read the report. And last example, for the formula is we respectfully request that subject plus base verb. The example is we respectfully request that all guests remain quiet when leaving the building, and we respectfully respect that the unhappy customer accept our apologize and a refund. Next.
Okay, the material referring to a negative issue will be delivered by Kuku Aprianto. Kuku Aprianto, time is yours.
Okay, thanks to the moderator. I'm Kuku Aprianto with the lesson NPM 103. I will continue the material referring to a negative issue. Referring to a negative issue is an expression used by someone to respond and give idea and evaluate a situation that is contradictory or cause polemic between individual or organization. And the expression is, the first, it has come to my attention or noticed that. Second, it has been observed or noticed that. The last, I or we have noticed or observed that. And the example, the first is, it has come to my notice that some employee residing in the non-smoking means smoke in their room. This practice is against the company's smoking policy. The second, it has been noticed that some employees are removing their office furniture to the new administration building. The last, you are therefore requested to return all removed furniture immediately and hand over the old furniture to the service coordinator, Mr. Ali. That's all for me. I will return it to moderator.
Okay, the next material is enclosing document will be delivered by Salsabila. Salsabila, time is yours.
Okay, thanks for the chance. I will explain about enclosing documents. An enclosure is another document that you add to a business letter. Usually, you write business letter to individuals outside of your organization, meaning that they are often formal documents. It's important to follow the right format to give the recipient a positive impression. For example, if you are writing a cover letter, you might add your resume as an enclosure. Next. How to cite an enclosure in a business letter? Step 1. Before you cite an enclosure, add the closing to your letter. Step 2. Note the enclosure underneath your signature. Underneath your signature, align it with the left margin of the page. You can note the enclosure. Step 3. Write down the title of the enclosure documents. This isn't mandatory, but it can help make sure that the recipient knows knows that what to expect. Step 4, add a description if necessary. This step is also optional, but it can help clarify the enclosure contents to the recipient. Next. Below are 4 examples on how to use the above business phrases. First, please find attach a copy of the safety training matrix. Second, attach you will find a copy of the safety training matrix. Third, enclosed is a copy of the safety training matrix for your information. And last, we attach the update listing of the new safety videotapes available on the training. Okay, that's all for me. Return to the moderator.
Okay, the next material is condolence. Will be delivery by Regus. Regus, time is yours.
Okay, thanks moderator. I am Reni Gustira, my last ID number 110. I will continue the material regarding condolence. Condolence, in the course of times, individual or organization might express kalimat or disaster. Condolence are easier to convey verbally, either by telephone or in person. However, for certain reasons, condolence can be conveyed through written message. Condolence show the company concurs and sympathy for the individual or organization that has expressed a disaster. Next. Example, condolence. First, condolence in business. We received information from television news that PT Abu Bakar had a fire accident. We are sorry for the disaster. Disaster can happen to anyone and at any time. Hopefully, this can increase our caution together. Hopefully, PT Abu Bakar will be able to operate again soon. Dear Mr. De Perez. Second, condolence message to client example. Use one to offer our deepest condolence. Word fall short of expressing our sorrow. Our deepest sympathies, our family extends heartfelt condolence to you and your loved ones. The next. Okay. Well, next is the congratulation material. Congratulation is one of the expression used when you want to say success or good moments to others. The word that has the basic word congrats is a noun that has several meanings. This word can be used for countable or uncountable nouns. Congratulations are usually immediately closed with an exclamation mark or followed by the propositional pairs on both noun or gerund phrase. Next. Example. First, congratulations on your new business venture. I wish you all the luck so you can earn both money and respect through it. Second, congratulations to you on your business relocation. I wish the new place comes with success in your life. 3. Good luck to you as you move on to the next step in your life without a doubt. You will continue to have success in all areas. 4. I heard you started your new business in the city. Congrats, my good protection and favor be upon you and your new business. Last, starting a new business is like writing a new chapter in the book of life, which will make it the bestseller of life. That's all for me. I will return into moderator.
Okay, thank you so much for Reni Gustira. The next material is apologize. Will be delivery by Salsabila Murtajat. Salsabila Murtajat, time is yours.
Okay. The next chapter is about apologize. Business apologize is are most often the result of a business oversight or mistake, human error, and in this creation, inconvenience, or something your company failed to do, prevent, or anticipate. Here's the key components for any apology. The first one is expression of regret, explanation of what went wrong, acknowledgement of responsibility, declaration of repentance, over a repair, and the last one is request for forgiveness. Next. Below are example of how to use the above business phrases. Example 1, we are sorry to inform you that we are unable to make delivery on the above referenced purchase order on the date indicate. Please accept our apologies for this delay and thank you for your understanding. Example 2, due to change and even beyond our control, we will postpone our meeting for this week and meet next Monday, February 20. Please accept our apologies for any inconvenience this has caused you. Example, the last one is we apologize for the way you were treated by our accounting department. Thank you for bringing this problem to our attention, and we are taking steps to avoid this kind of behavior in the future. Next. Okay, this is an example of apology letter in business. Apology letter to customer. The first one, you can add the date of the letter, and then you can put the address, postal code, and country after the date. You can add the subject, and after that, you write the apology letter in the body of letter. And last but not least, you must add a closing phrase to your customer. Okay, that's all for me. Back to moderator.
Okay, the next material is recommendation. Will be delivery by Adam. Adam, time is yours.
Okay, the next is recommendation. The recommendation is a suggestion given to someone based on the personal experience of the recommender. So, unlike suggestion, to give a recommendation, someone must first have experience or know for sure what he is suggesting. However, just like the suggestion, the person who received the recommendation can reject or accept it. So what's different between suggestion and the recommendation? The first one is a formality, and the second is a level of experience in delivering, and the third is a consequence. So this is one is the expression of recommendation. One, it is recommend, suggest, or propose. That specification should be changed. The second, I would like to recommend, suggest, or propose that we should change the specification. The last, I would like to recommend or suggest or propose changing the specification. Okay, this is two example. Example one, this is to inform you that the booking for indoor cycling at the ABC Club has significantly increased. As a result, many members were unable to use this equipment. Therefore, it is recommended that extra machine be brought in to fulfill our member needs. The second example is, this is to inform you that the booking for indoor cycling at the ABC Club has significantly increased. As a result, many members were unable to use this equipment. I therefore recommend bringing extra machine to fulfill all member needs. This example of business letter of recommendation. The first one is opening. The consists of the sender, the date, and next to body form letter, and the last is the closing from the letter.
Okay, the next material is closing process will be delivered by Adam Syamputra. Adam Syamputra.
Okay, Bisma, thanks. I will present about closing praise. The closing of a letter is a word or phrase used before the signature to indicate farewell. This praise shows respect and appreciation for the recipient. When you are ready to end your letter, you should choose a complimentary closing that is appropriate, respectful, and professional to draw the reader's attention to the message of your letter. You can also use a closing to relate the ending to the content of the letter. Next. Okay. Next. Okay, there are 3 tips for ending your letter. The first tips is what you want the reader to do next. It is common practice to end your letter with next steps, instruction, or follow-up information. Consider your ideal outcome in terms of what action you like the reader to take after reading your letter. Include this at the end of the letter. Even if you have explained something in detail in the body of your letter, it can be helpful to quickly recap the main ideas to the end. Example, to recap, please follow up with the finance team at your convenience to go out over our new budget and begin planning for next quarter. The second point is how you want the reader to feel. Taking the time to think about how you want the audience to feel after reading your letter can help you form a letter closing. For example, if you want the reader to have a sense of urgency, you might include words like immediately or as quickly as possible. In your letter ending, if you want them to feel calm or support, you might end your letter with something like this. Example, thank you for taking time to read my note. I know it is a lot of information, so please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any question at all about the new process. The third point is what information the reader needs. You should be sure to include all contact information, dates, times, and other instruction the reader needs as you end your letter. You might include some of this in your concluding paragraph or your signature if they will need your email, phone number, or job title. Example, all the best, Juan Cortez, g.cortez@email.com, product marketing manager, Good Clearwater. Back to moderator, Bisma.
Next. Thank you so much for the speaker to the amazing material. I think it's not for explanation presentation chapter 5. If I have mistakes, please apologize me. I end the presentation with Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you so much for your attention.